In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet calendar view and scheduling. Let's start by opening your project sheet in Smartsheet. Make sure you're logged into your account, then navigate to the sheet where you're tracking your tasks or project plan. You'll usually land in the standard grid view first, which looks a bit like a spreadsheet with rows and columns. Near the top of the screen, look for the view options. This is where you can switch between grid, Gantt, card, and calendar views. Click on the option that's currently highlighted, then choose Calendar from the list. As soon as you do this, Smartsheet will switch your sheet into a calendar layout, showing your tasks as events based on their start and end dates. Once you're in Calendar view, you'll see a toolbar and a few controls around the calendar itself. Throughout this video, I'll be clicking on various highlighted areas to adjust how the calendar looks and behaves. These highlights represent things like filters, date range controls, and display settings. First, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the navigation at the top of the calendar. Here, you can move between months or weeks, depending on how your calendar is set up. When I click on the highlighted arrows or date selectors, I'm changing the time period that's being displayed, so you can focus on the relevant part of your schedule. Next, I'll click on a series of highlighted buttons that control how tasks appear. These include options to show or hide certain types of items, change grouping, or adjust which columns from your sheet are visible on each calendar entry. As I click through these, notice how the events on the calendar update. This is really useful when you have a lot of information in your sheet and you only want to see key details, like task name and owner. You'll also see me click on highlights within the calendar days themselves. These are individual events. Clicking them opens more details about the task, and depending on your setup, you might be able to adjust dates directly from here. This is great for quick scheduling changes without going back to grid view. Toward the end, I'll use more highlighted controls to fine-tune the layout and visibility, making the calendar easier to read for planning and reporting. Follow along with each click on your own screen, and pause the video if you need extra time. By the time you've gone through all of these highlighted actions, you'll be comfortable navigating Calendar View in Smartsheet and using it to manage your schedule more effectively.